Hello everyone. Let's learn what are the different types of adverbs. A quick recap. We already know adverbs modify verbs. But apart from that, adverbs can also modify adjectives or another adverbs. For example, the soldier fought bravely. Here, bravely is the adverb as it's telling how the soldier fought. And here, fought is the verb. Next example, he is quite handsome. As we can see here, handsome is the adjective and quite is the adverb which is modifying the adjective handsome. Another example, do not sing too loudly. Here, as you can see, loudly is an adverb because it is telling about singing. But in this case, too is also an adverb which is modifying the adverb loudly. So as you can see, adverbs not only modify verbs but also adjectives and other adverbs. And if you want to understand four types of adverbs in a better way, let's take all of these individually. First, there are certain adverbs that answer the question how or in what manner. For example, Grandpa walked slowly. Now, this answers the question how did Grandpa walk? He walked slowly. So, slowly is the manner in which Grandpa walked and it is called adverb of manner. Next example, he sang sweetly. Sweetly is adverb of manner as it is telling how she sang. Next example, he wrote beautifully. How did he write? Beautifully. So, this is an adverb of manner. Next, Sam ate quickly. Here, quickly is telling us the manner in which Sam ate. Hence, it is adverb of manner. Now, there are certain adverbs that answer the question where. So, they lived nearby. In this sentence, nearby is telling where did they live. So, it answers the question where do they live? They live nearby. So, nearby is adverb of place. Another example, she went out. Where did she go? She went out. So, out is adverb of. Another example, the cat slept somewhere. Here, somewhere tells the place where the cat slept. Hence, it is adverb of place. The last example, she stayed indoors. Here, indoors is adverb of place which is telling us about the place of her stay. Next, some adverbs answer the question when. For example, he went to school yesterday. Now, the question if we ask, when did he go to school? He went to school yesterday. So, this is answering the question when. Hence, yesterday is adverb of time. Next example, the baby is crying now. Here, now is adverb of time. He will play later. Later again is adverb of time. Now, there are certain adverbs that answer the question how often or how frequently. For example, he plays cricket daily. How often he plays cricket? It's daily. Hence, we can say daily is adverb of frequency. We go out for dinner occasionally. How often? Occasionally. Hence, occasionally is adverb of frequency. He always tells the truth. What is the frequency of telling the truth? Always. So, always is adverb of frequency. Now, if you see adverb of frequency, it could be definite, meaning it specifies this exact time frame. And these words are like hourly, weekly, monthly, every day, every week, once a month, twice a year, etc. And another type of adverb of frequency would be indefinite, meaning they don't specify exact time frame. And these are the words such as always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, etc. So remember, adverb of frequency can be either definite or indefinite. To summarize again what we learned the four types of adverbs, that is adverb of manner, telling how, adverb of place specifying where, adverb of time specifying when, and adverb of frequency specifying how often or how frequently. That was all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.